Have you ever looked at your bank statement at the end of the month and thought, where did all my money go? That's exactly how this started for me. I was trying to save, cutting here and there, doing all the right things, but still felt like I was drowning. My paycheck would come in and somehow it would just vanish. And the worst part, I had no idea where I was going wrong. I tried spreadsheets, apps, blog tips. Nothing really worked. Then one day, almost out of curiosity, I decided to try an AI tool that claimed it could help with personal finance. It was free, easy to use, and responded like a real financial coach. I didn't expect much, but I gave it a shot, and that's when everything changed. Each reply, each insight it gave me felt like someone had finally held up a mirror to my finances. For the first time I could see the problem. And it was me. The first tool I tested was ChatGPT itself. I opened up a chat and typed, "Create a monthly budget plan based on $3,000 income, considering fixed expenses, entertainment, savings, and investments." In seconds, I got a clear, structured budget that made total sense. But the most impressive part wasn't the numbers, it was the insight. The AI pointed out invisible expenses, small charges I had completely ignored, forgotten subscriptions, too many food delivery orders, impulse Amazon buys. When I compared the AI's plan to my actual habits, it hit me. I was sabotaging my own goals month after month. If this is starting to sound familiar, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because in the next chapters, I'm going to show you other free AI tools that literally talk to your money. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal the tool that helped me save over $1,000 in just 60 days, and nobody's talking about it. The next tool is for those of us who always wonder, where did my money go? It tracks your habits, and helps you change them, painlessly. After setting up my budget with ChatGPT, I realized that tracking habits was just as important as organizing expenses. That's when I discovered a free Notion template enhanced with AI, and it changed everything. I started using it to log every purchase, categorize my spending, and most importantly, set weekly goals. But here's the game changer. The AI didn't just track, it coached. It would highlight patterns I was blind to, like how $5 here and $9 there added up to over $300 a month. That's a weekend trip. It even prompted me with questions like, do you really need this before big purchases? And that's when I realized, it's not about cutting joy. It's about cutting autopilot. If this resonates with you, smash that subscribe button, because the next tool I'm going to show you connects directly to your expenses and gives real-time alerts before you overspend. And don't forget, I'll show you the exact free AI that helped me save $1,000 in 2 months. But first, let's talk about the smart dashboard I built that talks to me like a financial assistant. This is where things got interesting. I built a Google Sheets dashboard powered by GPT that acts like a personal money coach. And it was way easier than it sounds. With a few free templates and simple automation, I linked my spending data to a chatbot that analyzed every transaction. It would flag spikes in spending, suggest cuts, and even alert me when I was close to going over budget. One day it told me, "You're already at 82% of your entertainment budget and it's only the 11th. That hit hard, but it worked. I didn't need to be perfect, just present. And the best part? No coding. I just followed a tutorial, plugged in my numbers, and the AI handled the rest. If you're still here, you're serious about changing your financial future. So again, hit that subscribe button. Let's talk about the most unexpected way I used AI, negotiating debt. I found an AI assistant called Claude and used it to rehearse phone calls with my credit card company. I typed out my situation, and the AI simulated responses like a real customer service rep, pushing back, offering deals, asking questions. Then it helped me craft my replies. Clear, polite, but firm. After practicing for just 15 minutes, I felt way more confident. I made the actual call and boom, they waived $87 in late fees and dropped my interest rate by half for 6 months. That call saved me hundreds. And without AI, I probably never would have tried. Up next, I'll show you exactly what happened after 60 days using all these tools, how much I saved, how my mindset shifted, and what I'd do differently. You're going to want to see the results. After just 2 months using these free AI tools, my financial life looked completely different. I didn't just save, I changed the way I think about money. With ChatGPT for planning, Notion for habit tracking, Google Sheets for alerts, and Claude for negotiations, I saved exactly $1,182.34. But more than the number, I gained confidence. I stopped fearing my bank app. I stopped guessing. I didn't cut out my favorite coffee. I didn't stop eating out. What I cut was the unconscious spending, the zombie habits. I started making choices. If this video sparks something in you, leave a like, share it with a friend, and make sure you're subscribed. Because next, I'm going to walk you through how to start using these tools today, even if you're not tech savvy and budgeting isn't your thing. And trust me, once you start, you won't want to stop. If you've made it this far, you're not just watching, you're investing in your financial future, and that means you're already part of the Mindful Money Mentor community. So here's your next move. In the next video, I'll show you how to use AI to start investing, step by step, safely, even if you've never touched the stock market. Trust me, this is going to be big. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment "I'm ready" if you're taking this journey with me. This isn't just a trend. This is the new way to take control of your money and your life.